Now we invite Sir on stage to elaborate upon India's space achievement.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, sir. So it's really an honor to be the inaugural speaker of the Rashtrapati Bhavan Vimarsh Shrinkhla. And I'm really happy today that there are a lot of young people, students, aspiring space professionals sitting here, right? All of you have seen this classic picture of Chandrayaan 3 landing on the moon by any nation in the world. It's a work of a generation of people. I would like to leave all failures behind and talk about success.